I think our rims are over here.
Would you overland in that one?
Oh yeah, 100%.
I think it just needs some 37s. What do you think?
Maybe 38s. About to show everyone on Instagram what our new rims look like.
What is going on, you guys? This is one of my favorite episodes on any series. This Jeep is getting some new shoes, baby. What is going on, you guys? This is one of my favorite episodes on any series. This Jeep is getting some new shoes, baby.
Yes, it is. Now, if you're new to our channel, that's Alleen's Jeep JK on 37s. That is our white TJ that we just finished building. Those are on 33s. We got a TJ Rubicon over here. This one is on 38-inch tires. And this guy is the latest in our workshop to get some new shoes. Now, if you have been following along, you know that we just lifted this Jeep 3.5 inches using the
Metal Cloak Short Arm Lift Kit, baby.
and now it's getting 35-inch mud tires from Canati Tires.
Along with some black diamond rims.
Now, we are super excited for this rim and tire combination. We are so eager to install this. We are actually going to use 2-inch adapters because the rims are JK bolt pattern. Why don't we load up the JK and let's take these Jeeps downtown.
Let's go.
I love you, America. America, I love you.
Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of this build, and make sure to check out our other series, you guys. We have some nice content going for you.
That's very different than America, I love you, though. Wow, that's disgusting.
The disrespect.
You're so fine, you blow my mind. Hey, Mickey. All right, why don't we toss this bad boy in? So we went with the 35 by 12.5 by 17 inch. Now these things are aggressive. We cannot wait to review them and drive them later on in this video. Hopefully everything goes on without any clearance issues or anything of that nature. Let's keep loading this bad boy in.
When we get back, we'll hold this new rim and tire set next to all of the Jeeps that we currently have so you can check out the difference.
So you can see the difference between a 37, a 38, a 35, and a 33.
And a 59. Oh,
We don't have no 59.
not yet, not yet.
But look at how nicely that fit. All 5 fit in the trunk, no problems. We're still gonna take 2 Jeeps down to the tire shop because the rims aren't gonna fit in. Will it fit?
No.
No.
Let's not even try.
Let's do it. She's so excited to pick up these black diamond rims. I can't wait to get it all mounted. We're almost there, guys. Bear with us.
We just got here to pick up our black diamond rims and get them mounted on our tires.
We got the double Jeep trouble.
I can't wait to check out these rims. Let's go take a look.
Let's do it.
I think our rims are over here.
What are your thoughts?
I can't wait to get these unboxed.
What do you think?
Wow.
Just take a look. This is incredible. Why don't we go ahead and open one up?
Let's do it.
What do you think of this one? Would you overland in that one?
Oh yeah, 100%. 100%.
I think it just needs some 37s. What do you think?
Maybe 38.
What are you doing, Ollie?
About to show everyone on Instagram what our new rims look like. Now, you know Garage Couple loves customizing everything, and Black Diamond is no different. Now, you are able to customize the bracket that sits in the middle of the rim to what color your preference is. So if you feel like customizing these rims and want to change the color up in that bracket in the middle, make sure to reach out to their customer service. They will help you out.
And one thing I noticed right off the bat is these rims are actually pretty light. They are a lot lighter than steel rims, and I think that would help a lot in terms of miles per gallon and, you know, total overall feel of the Jeep. Now, why don't we go ahead and grab these rims? Why don't we show you some of the other rims that we have available?
we have available. We'd love all of these, right, Greg?
Let's go ahead and show the other 3 designs, and then let's get these mounted and bolted up on our LJ.
Let's go. Sick.
What do you think, Ollie?
Oh man, I need a couple more, huh? Matte black is sick.
What do you think?
These look insane, you guys. Literally take a look. We just packed them up and look how insane these look. Let's get back home and slap these on the LJ.
We are just making it back home. Let us mount on this LJ. I mean, how cool are those rims and tires? What a solid combination. Everyone has given us compliments so far. Let's go ahead and bolt them up. Time to grab the 2-inch spacers.
Let's do it.
Off we go. Wow, just take a look. And don't worry guys, we're gonna show you what these look like compared to the 38s and also the 33s and the 37s in just a moment.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. A 35 next to a 37. What do you think?
That's a pretty big difference, guys.
All right, but the rims, flip that thing over, Greg. Come on, show us that guy.
Now let's go to the 33. Wow.
All right, let me show you. Let me show you.
Equally huge difference compared to the 33. All right, let's put it on. I can't wait any longer. So before we put this on, we're gonna have to use a 2-inch Titan hub-centric wheel spacer. Just make sure you torque this down like crazy. Use Loctite if you have to. The link to this product will be in the description below. Now let's grab the hub ring that comes with the rims from BD Wheels, and let's go ahead and put it on our hub-centric spacer. All that does is corrects the hub size from the 71 to the 87, I believe. Make sure this is snug on there, make sure it's flush, and let's go ahead and bolt on the wheels. Now we're gonna do the first one on camera. We'll do the other 4 off camera, other 3 I guess off camera, and then we'll catch you guys for the test drive. Just take a look. That is 1 down, 1 to go. Don't skip leg day, guys. In case you're wondering with the 2-inch, that does seem like it's sticking out quite a bit there. Wow, what a difference rims and tires make. I'm gonna get those other 3 mounted on, and I will catch you guys in the daytime.
What a difference, you guys. This combination looks absolutely insane. I am so excited to get this thing on the trails.
I have never seen any rims that look as textured, as crazy as these Black Diamond rims. At first, we were worried that these mud tire rims would vibrate, that they would be loud, that they would just overall be a pain to mount and balance. But to our shock, they went on perfectly fine. They are super quiet and they drive really straight, like
super straight.
Like super straight. I can't I can't emphasize that enough. When choosing mud tires, that first drive is always so nerve-wracking. And with these Wild Hog mud terrain tires from Kanadi Tires, truthfully, they have been such an easy breezy, beautiful cover growth.
I've said it so many times now, he's catching on. There we go.
So our first week of driving this setup has been absolutely outstanding. We would highly recommend it. Now, we will give you guys updates both with these mud tires as well as the Kanadi rugged terrain tires that we put on the white TJ. We will keep you guys updated, but we've put about 5,000 miles on those, and so far we have 0 complaints.
And we have a discount code if you are interested in checking out these black diamond rims in any of the colors. If you want to customize that bracket, just check the link below. We'll put it in the comment section
Yeah,
below.
you guys get 10%.
Yeah, wow. Lucky you.
So thank you guys for watching this episode. Stick around. We plan on a lot of more upgrades for this Jeep. We're only on episode 4 on this one. Wait till episode 5.
Catch you on the next one.
See ya.
Later.
Alla.
Gator.
Let's go Gators.
Who are the Gators?